What's your name? Good. How are you? Good. How old are you? 12. Good. Are you ready? Good. Let's go. Good. How many bathrooms are there? One or two? One? Yeah, okay. What are there in the living room? Yeah, what is it? What is it? Good. Lamp. Table. Window. Okay. What have you got in your bedroom? Yes. Window. Okay, good. What room is this? Bedroom. What room is this? Kitchen. What room is it? Living room. What room is this? Bathroom. What can you do and what you can do? What are foods you can count? Okay. Biscuits. Bread. What are food you can count? Rice. Pasta. Juice.